Shara with Capital PPF. We're specializing in some DIY paint protection film kits. And you'll notice if you watch a few of our videos that Norm switches back and forth between different videos of using different installation solutions. In some, he uses 25% alcohol. What that means is that it's 25% isopropyl alcohol to water. Now, the isopropyl alcohol that we recommend using is a bottle that says 70%. Some stores also have a bottle that says 91%, but we want you to use this 70% version and pour this in here to an empty clean spray bottle, and just make sure that your measurements are 25% alcohol to 75% water. So if you had 8 ounces, we want you to do 2 ounces of rubbing alcohol and 6 ounces of water, okay? He also has a solution of soapy water mixture with just a few drops of dish soap mixed in with water. And when he does those videos, he also has a spray bottle of just plain water. And so I'm going to show you the difference and why we have different installation solutions and what uses they're for. So I have a couple of sample pieces of film. So this first film I'm going to show you with soap. Now, a lot of the pieces that we have videos for, we do install with soap. So I'm going to spray the hood, I'm going to spray the film. And when I lay it on here, now I'm not the professional, Norm is, but this is just demonstration purposes. So you see this piece of film here, I can literally move this piece around. I can lift it, it's not stuck at all. Even when I press on it and hold it, I can still just move this all around. Now, in those videos, he also has plain water. So if he were to rinse an edge, rinse out that soap, and now if I press where that pure water was, now it's stuck. Now it's not moving, but up here that still has soap is moving. So this is useful for big pieces that you really need the time to manipulate and place and make sure it's centered and lined up correctly. For example, hoods or tailgates or trunk ledges, pieces like that where you need more time to make sure that they're placed properly, or to stretch it, or to, before it's finally squeegeed down, you just need some more time. So that's why we use soap and water mixture. Next is the alcohol mixture. So I have a new piece. I'm actually going to clean off the soap. Almost forgot to do that. And then I'm going to clean the soap off, make sure that's off. All right. So with the second piece of film, I'm actually going to only use the 25% mixture of alcohol and water. So again, I'm going to spray the film, I'm going to spray the hood, and you'll notice a big difference in its slidability. So already it's stuck. Now I still can lift it and manipulate it as I need to, but it makes the adhesive a lot more aggressive, quicker. So this is ideal for small pieces that you can install quickly, but you really need it to grab quickly. That's why he would use the solution of just 25% alcohol to water. And that's the difference between the two. So we do recommend using what we suggest in the videos because you're going to get the best results.